Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a fun video idea for you guys. I want to share with you guys 5 makeup products that for whatever reason I can't seem to hit the checkout button and purchase them. Whether it's either the price or maybe the name or the fact that I don't know too much about them or I've heard too many people about them, talk about them. I don't know what the case may be, but I wanted to share them with you guys and see if maybe you guys are on the same boat as I am. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome to the family. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you do like it, and let's get on with the products. So I'm going to go ahead and put pictures of the products I am mentioning up on the screen so you guys know, just in case you are unfamiliar with the products. The first one that I have is Charlotte Tilbury's Quads. I don't own any Charlotte Tilbury products, but for whatever reason, the quads always have had my eye. I don't know why. I know that they are very, very expensive for 4 eyeshadows. It's $53 US. That's not including shipping, tax, and all the extra things that we pay for. But I just don't know if it's worth spending that much money on a quad. I have so many different eyeshadows there is 1 or 2 that I am interested in, but I just can't seem to get myself to purchase this one. The second one that I have is something I've mentioned over and over on my channel, and I still can't seem to go ahead and splurge, not even on a discount, on a gift card, on a free gift with purchase, whatever the case may be, and that is a beauty blender. I just can't get myself to spend $20 on a sponge when there are so many great sponges already out there. I love the L'Oreal one, I love the Flower Beauty one, I love the Real Techniques one. I think that they are such great quality sponges that I don't understand why I should spend the $20 on a beauty blender. I know that most of you are probably looking at me like I have 3 heads and why haven't I done it? I don't know. I just haven't splurged on it. I haven't felt the need to it, and every time that I consider it, I just find something else that I could spend my money on instead of that. The third product is something I've been interested in, but I don't know, you guys. I don't know if I'll ever do it. This is the Wayne Goss brushes. They range from $17 for a single, one of the cheaper ones, all the way up to $250 for a set. They're just so expensive, and I think that the reason why I can't seem to get myself to spend the money on them is because I have small kids, and they tend to grab my brushes now and play with them. I've gotten some that have been broken, some that have been sucked on, some that have been torn apart, and I just can't see myself spending that much money on brushes, knowing that these children may grab them and ruin them. Next up on my list is Tom Ford Quads, eyeshadow quads. I own 2 Tom Ford products. One was gifted to me, and then the other one I did purchase at a cheaper price, so I haven't paid full price on any Tom Ford products. These are $85 for 4 eyeshadows, and yes, I have seen them at a CCO, and I thought about getting one, but is it worth $85 for 4 eyeshadows? I don't know. I could do so much with $85, you guys. I can get 2 eyeshadow palettes. I can get a bunch of single eyeshadows. You know what I mean? Like, so I don't know if I can justify getting a quad. There are maybe 2 that I am interested in, but are they really that unique for me to purchase them, or am I just buying the brand name, or the actual quality is there? Next up is Natasha Nona, and I'm not talking about the $49 5-pan ones. I'm talking about the huge jumbo ones, the $239 ones, the $139 ones. I promise you guys one day I'll do it, but just right now, I just can't seem to get myself to hit the checkout button. I may or may not try again and see if I can get myself to do it during a percentage off, during a sale. I'll even consider doing it through Beautylicious monthly payment thing. Maybe that might make me feel a little bit better purchasing one. But I do want to try her formula out. I do own 1 product that I purchased myself, and that's a highlighter, and I think the formula is amazing. I did get something else that I didn't pay for that I've been trying out, but other than that, I haven't really tried any other Natasha Nona product. Last but not least is a product that I've been talking about for at least 2 years on my channel that I've wanted to purchase, and that is the Chanel Soleil de Tan Chanel bronzer. This is $50, and as much as I want it, and I still do, it's a cream bronzer, and I have cream bronzers that I am working on right now that I don't want them to go bad, and they're actual liquid bronzers. I don't own any other cream bronzers. I told myself if I could pan the last 2, that I was allowed to get it, and I did pan the last two, but I still can't seem to get it. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the necessity of it, that I don't feel like it's necessary, or the fact that everyone is panning it right now, or the fact that it lasts so long that it's going to go bad on you unless I am committed to using it on a daily basis. I don't know what it is. So those are the 5 products that I could think of that I do want to try, but I just can't seem to get myself to hit the checkout button. If you own any of these products and you think they're worth it, please let me know in the comment section. I would love to hear your thoughts about them. If you have products that you can't seem to hit the checkout button yourself, let me know what they are. Maybe I can help you decide, or someone else can help you decide whether it's something that you should splurge on or should not splurge on at all. I will link all these products down in the description box if you're interested in checking out other shades, other ranges, anywhere you can purchase them. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys in my next video. And don't forget that a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. Bye guys.